So this customer got a buffalo chicken with mozzarella cheese. So I toasted it, and then he wanted avocado on it. I always recommend putting the avocado first so it's not everywhere. He got like hot sauce, sweet onion, and this
Subway, once again, one of our favorites. Look at the way they packed it there. Not bad. A solid 7 out of 10, the way they packed it. The perfect bite.
John Tucker 432 simply asks, where's the protein? So, John Tucker 432, I'm going to give you a nice protein sandwich to eat after you hit the gym. It's going to be on Italian bread, a 6-inch double turkey with tomatoes, spinach, onions, oil, vinegar, sweet onion sauce, and buffalo sauce. The sandwich comes in at 400 calories and 25 grams of protein. Listen, not bad at all for a Subway sandwich. And it's actually pretty healthy if you're not even looking for protein. So, if you need a sandwich, try out this protein sub from John Tucker.
everyone. So today I'm making a spicy Italian with extra cheddar cheese toasted. I always recommend cheddar cheese toasted just because it's less messy. We're gonna add lettuce, pickles, jalapenos, honey mustard, and chipotle. There's this woman that comes into my Subway. She gets extra vegetables, extra cheese, and when closing the sandwich, which is literally next to impossible, if anything falls out, she gets mad and wants me to shove it.
Show me the life hack that you randomly saw one day that is now an unconscious standard practice in your life. I'll go first.
Have you ever wondered how Subway preps their tuna? Well, here, I'll show you. We first get 2 bags of tuna along with a whole bag of mayo. And it has come to my attention that a lot of people seem to be obsessed with our mayo. Comment down below if you're one of them and the reason why our Subway mayo is better compared to others. We then break the tuna apart and add mayo. Prepping tuna by far is one of the messiest things to prep at Subway. After mixing the tuna with the mayo, it is finally ready to be served. Now you know how we prep tuna at Subway.
Yes, we charge for meat, but not for veggies. But if you ask for toasting before we ask, you get free cookie on us.
Hello, I am currently on my lunch break for work. Some of you guys have been asking like how work is going. Work is really good. It's a lot, but it's been really good. Like people are super helpful, like everybody. Like they want to help you. So I feel like everybody's really good at collaborating. So yeah, it's been good. I just have some Subway here, which Mark and I got this for dinner last night, and I get it toasted. So like, since we put it in the fridge, it's a little crunchy, but still good. I get their spicy Italian, got mayo, tomatoes, pickles, banana peppers, mustard, lettuce, all the good stuff, and salt and vinegar chips. Happy Wednesday.
Hey everyone, Subway just released this new steak melt that has triple cheese, green peppers, onions, mayo. I had chipotle because it's delicious, and then we toasted in this bag. 10 out of 10, I def recommend. So today we've got an order for a chicken Caesar wrap for one of our most favorite customers. Shout out to Justin. And here we're adding all of his veggies, the chicken, extra Caesar sauce,